My name is Akshita, I am studying in 9th class. My name is Katya, I am studying in 9th class. My name is Sushmita, I am from 9th class. Today, activity diffusion of two gases. HCl,
required
material, HCl, ammonia, rubber crop, dropper, rubber tube and cotton wool. I am taking the test tube closed with cotton wool. Plastic type. I am taking hydrochloric acid 1 drop into the it is called ammonia hydrochloric.
Ammonium chloride. What is the ring?
Ammonium chloride.
Is formed near to the HCl. Hydrochloric acid. This one is the ammonia solution. Both are the solution. No? Just I am keeping the near to the these two bottles. What will happen? See. So in the ikkada kuda rendu chemical reaction is going on. So here also we are observing. See, you just I am touching near to that one. So we are observing our form. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So this is the ring also. See, this is the HCl. This is the ammonia. Okay. That is the close that one.